In DraftSite, you can add fields to annotations, block attributes, table cells, and more. Fields allow you to visualize and update certain properties such as modification date, drawing name, author, and much more. For example, if I go to the Insert tab all the way over to Data and Field, I have a lot of categories that I can choose from, and within those categories are different names. So if I wanted to do document, I can automatically display the author of the document, some comments, file name, file size, last save by, and much more. We have date and time, the date the file was created, the current date, the print date, as well as the last save. And for this, let's go to Document, File Name only, and we get a preview of the actual text that will appear. And we can also format this text to whatever format we like. So this field will display the file name at all times. Another example of how to utilize fields in a very productive manner is I have this block here that represents the working area of a floor plan, and it's adjustable here because it has custom block elements. And I can have a field represent the square meters of this working area, and it quickly adjusts and updates. And the way this is done is this is a block attribute, and within that block attribute is the field option, the insert field option. And under entities, entity, select entity, we have the option for area and additional formatting options as well.